Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you: Orgain Organic Protein Plus Superfoods Powder, the best protein powder for weight loss. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to support your fitness goals, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the details of this amazing product. Orgain Organic Protein Plus Superfoods Powder is a game-changer in the world of protein supplements. It's packed with benefits that will not only help you achieve your weight loss goals but also boost your overall health. Here are the key features that make Orgain stand out from the crowd. With 21 grams of organic plant-based protein from pea, brown rice, and chia seeds, Orgain gives you the protein punch you need for muscle recovery and building. It's not just about protein. Orgain includes a whopping 50 organic superfoods in each scoop. These superfoods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your immune system and overall health. Orgain is vegan, USDA organic, dairy-free, lactose-free, gluten-free, soy-free, and non-GMO. It's a doctor-developed formula that meets the highest quality standards. With 8 grams of organic dietary fiber and only 1 gram of sugar per serving, Orgain helps you feel full and satisfied, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Whether you need a quick breakfast shake, a meal replacement drink, or a pre-post-workout boost, Orgain has you covered. You might be wondering why superfoods are essential. Superfoods like kale, flax, broccoli, and acai are packed with nutrients that promote vitality and well-being. They're known for their potential to boost energy levels, aid in weight management, enhance muscle recovery, provide an antioxidant boost. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate Orgain into your daily routine. It's incredibly versatile. Mix it with water or your choice of milk. Each serving provides a whopping 21 grams of plant-based protein. You can also get creative and add it to your favorite smoothies, almond milk, or even baking mixes for that clean, protein-rich boost. In conclusion, Orgain Organic Protein Plus Superfoods Powder is the best protein powder for weight loss and overall health. It's a delicious and convenient way to get the protein and nutrients your body needs while staying on track with your fitness goals. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you want to supercharge your health and fitness journey, don't hesitate to try Orgain Organic Protein Plus Superfoods Powder. It's the ultimate blend of taste, quality, and nutrition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with Orgain, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.